Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bedazzle this super cute little Funko Pop. This is a little tiny one, it's a little Spider-Man one, but this also does apply for a regular size Funko Pop. So if you are interested in learning how to, keep on watching. For materials, I am starting off with my liquid fusion. I have my pickup tool. And I am starting off with some transparent rhinestones. These are in a size SS6. Remember, all materials are always linked down below in the description. If you need anything, go check it out. Okay, to start off, I am going to start bedazzling the eyes. Again, I am using transparent rhinestones. So before I begin, remember, I am using the transparent rhinestones and you can use the same ones for everything. Whatever the Funko Pop is, you're going to be able to see those colors come through with the transparent rhinestones. If you want to use, for example here, red for the red areas, black for the black areas, blue for the blue areas, whatever it is you want, you can do that as well. Okay, I just rather do transparent rhinestones so I can see the original colors coming through. So I am going to begin off with the eyes, and this is pretty small, guys, so I can do multiple areas at one time. Okay, key is to work with those areas, making sure your glue is still fresh so those rhinestones can't attach. Okay, so I'm going to apply the liquid fusion to the whole eye area, the black and the white area. Like that. And I'm going to start applying my rhinestones. First to the white area, and then I'm going to work my way around. Like this. You see how simple that is? And like I told you guys, I'm using transparent rhinestones. I can see exactly where everything is. All those colors are coming through for the eye. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye now. Okay, so now that both eyes are done, now I'm going to bedazzle the head. Still using the same rhinestones. Okay, so I took a little break and now I'm back because I bedazzled the face, as you can see here, just the front of the face, and then I let it dry so I can grab it while I'm working on the rest of the head, on the sides and on the top. So I can grab it on the back and then right in the front of the face without messing up the rhinestones. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to let that dry for a bit, and then I'm going to do the back of the head. And then also doing the close-ups to the body. Okay, so I am done bedazzling the head. I'll show you guys in a bit once it dries. I'm gonna let this dry for now, and then we're gonna work on the body. Okay, so now that I let this dry for a bit, this is how it looks. Super cute, right? So now I'm going to do the body. It's going to be the same thing, still using the SS6 rhinestones, transparent rhinestones, and I'm just going to go over the whole body, holding it at the head so I'm not touching the body. And I am working by sections, applying some glue still, doing that section and continuing. And there is no pattern here, I'm just bedazzling it as I go. Okay, so I am done bedazzling the body. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be back with the final results. Okay, so he is all done drying. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, he's so adorable. All bedazzled. I love it. The body is bedazzled. Look at that. The transparent rhinestones, I love them because you can still see through the actual real colors of the object, and they have a super cute sparkle. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bedazzle your own little Funko Pop. Again, remember, this does apply for the bigger ones. You can use the transparent rhinestones or whatever color the little Funko Pop is. Completely up to you, just to give you guys an idea of how to do it. Leave me a lovely comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you already did. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for many more DIYs to come.